already studied about the flash message. So now let's include the flash message whenever we create a record. Okay, so to include the flash message, first of all we have to go here. Let's remove this one. Let's remove this one as well. Let's go to the bootstrap controller, and here we'll use flash message. So return back, we'll write a with, and here we'll write a message, and you can give any message. New book edit, edit, and then we'll now go to the create method, and then we'll write here the flash message. We'll display the flash message here. So we'll display here. So if S capital, if session has message, message message, and we'll write inif here, and here we'll write div class div, and here we'll write div class alert success, and it will display the flash message here. So we write session get message. So we have already discussed about this in learning basic Laravel section. So session get message. Okay, so let's refresh this, and here I'll write the name of book React.js or React book, React.js book, and educational. Submit this, and you can see new book added, and we have now the new book.